AI technology is advancing rapidly, and some professions are at risk of being replaced. So, which jobs should start preparing for change? Let's break it down one by one. First, cashiers. With self-checkout machines becoming common, many stores no longer need human cashiers. Second, taxi drivers. Autonomous cars are already being used in several countries, replacing drivers. Third, data administrators. AI can process and analyze data much faster and more accurately. Fourth, customer service agents. Chatbots can now answer customer inquiries 24/7 without stopping. Fifth, travel agents. With online booking apps, who still needs a travel agent? Sixth, basic content writers. AI like ChatGPT can write simple articles in just seconds. Seventh, simple graphic designers. AI tools can now create designs instantly. Eighth, basic news reporters. AI-generated news summaries are starting to replace this task. Ninth, medical assistants. AI can interpret medical test results with high accuracy. And finally, basic financial analysts. AI can predict market trends quickly and efficiently. While technology makes our lives easier, it's also transforming the way we work. So, let's keep learning and adapting to stay relevant in the future.